User session tracking enables Coralogix customers to track exactly what was done in the application in a given user session. So for example, I'm going to pick this one here. I can see that there are a few key details here on the page. Unique users, 5, unique sessions, 7, unique pages, 3, and total errors. This is a high-level breakdown. On the left-hand side, we can break down by browser, device, operating system, session ID, if we know that, the username of the person involved, and the user ID as well, if we want to go from IDs, perhaps working from a database, for example. We can, of course, search user sessions as well for different devices, OS, and so on. When I pick one of these to dive into, what I met with is a breakdown of everything the user did. So here we have the actions view. The actions view enables you to see exactly what happened as I went through the pages. So I clicked on certain divs and spans, I clicked on certain, I loaded the page, I clicked on certain divs that didn't have any values in them. This lets you know exactly what I did, not just a high-level view through the system, but very, very detailed. I give a number of actions here, a number of page loads, a number of errors that I experienced. I can view those errors here, by the way. So from this errors view, I get a breakdown of all the errors I experienced in a given user session. And in much like the error tracking functionality, I can open this up and go straight to GitHub for the line through the error. So you get all that power of error tracking baked into the user sessions here. I can also correlate the logs of the application at the time that my user session was occurring, and I can look at the resources that were loaded. These are the HTTP resources that were loaded, and much like a browser-based visualization, I can look and see were XML HTTP requests, I can see which were triggered by JavaScript, I can see CSS resources, and so on and so forth. The whole point of user session tracking is that I could deeply understand exactly what the user did without having to go into too much detail or without having to instrument too much information. I simply install the Coralogix SDK and I get all the information I need. If there's too much here, I can collapse everything and view the high-level page loads of what happened. I can also explore each individual one, open it up. If I click on a given one here, I get a specific breakdown of everything that was going on. The div that was clicked on, the content inside the element, the CSS class, the URL parameters that existed at the time. A lot of detail here, a lot of information, and very, very powerful for understanding exactly what the users are doing as they break down your entire system. What's also really nice as well is if I pick a flow with multiple pages, I can see which pages were involved in this flow, and I can select, for example, let's just look at the alerts pages. So I can even look at how they interact with certain pages within the journey as well. This is all about the continuous improvement and continuous monitoring to understand how users are interacting with your system. This isn't just about tracking alarms and understanding alerts. This is about continuously improving the user experience and understanding exactly how the user engages with your platform.